Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the IICS combo batch. So today is the introduction session. So this is the demo session. Okay. So what is this IICS combo batch? Okay. So many of you will have a good idea as of now, I think, because I already several times I have already published this in the YouTube channel, Rishab Informatica group. Okay. And also many of you might seen even in our website also, Rishab Informatica group website. So by this time, you will have a very good idea, everyone, right? That's why. So what is this IICS combo batch? So IICS combo means it is not a something like very official word. It is given by IICS or Informatica, not like that. So in our session, we are going to provide Informatica Power Center, IICS and SQL equally, parallelly in same session. Okay. So whatever the concept we take on the day, for example, today if I'm going for joining or aggregator or sorter, we will cover all the concepts. Whatever the concept we take, that concept it will be covered in all the platforms. Okay. That is, first we will start with SQL, and then it will go to the Power Center, then we'll go to the IICS. So it will be a completely parallel session. Okay, same session. Whatever the concept you take, you can clear with in all the platforms, because all the platforms are very, very important, right? So you cannot learn Power Center directly now, because the number of calls is very less for Power Center. So you cannot learn IICS also directly, because without learning Power Center, you cannot go for IICS. So Power Center is like your bachelor degree, and IICS is like your master degree, right? So without learning the bachelor degree, you cannot go for the master degree, right? So in our session, we are not going to do it in a separate batch. In same batch, we can learn everything, including SQL completely. Okay, we'll cover everything. So that is also for the best price in the market. Hope you all might seen what is my price also. So many of you might wonder why we are doing this training for very less price and also for so many things, right? So our intention is that, so many of our even our friends and so many people, they are all struggling in the market in the non-IT and so many other jobs. After 5 years, 10 years experience also, they are not getting the salary more than 30,000, 40,000. Okay. So I want those people to groom, and we have to convert them as IT people, right? So those who are already working in IT, that's your choice. If you want, you can join. Okay. But our focus is we have to take the people who are really, really struggling in the ground level. That is what our intention here. That's why we are doing this training for less price, because they are all not affordable, right? So I cannot see that who can afford, who cannot afford. So that I made a common price. Okay, 9,600, right? So that's what, including CDI, including CAI, including Power Center, including SQL. So almost it is like a 40,000 rupees that we are giving only for 9,600. So that is, I'm not telling this for marketing. So just see the people who are really struggling in your, wherever the people are struggling, just take them and just connect here. Let them get the benefit. Okay. So that's what we are planning here. Okay. So this is the third batch I'm doing. The first batch, IICS combo batch, I started, then we got the good result. And okay, before the session completes, so we are not taking more than 30 people per batch. Okay. Even if you give 50,000 rupees, I cannot take more than 30 people per batch. That's what, because we have to manage with each and every student. We have to track with each and every student. It is not that giving a training and it is done something, not like that. So we have a lot of interaction with the students. We have a different, we have a, maybe many of you might seen, we have multiple mock interview we are having, and many things we are having. From the day one itself, we started to make them to prepare for interview. Okay. From the day one itself, I will give the interview questions, let them start to learn. Then the session also will go. Then after the 20th session, we will go for mock interview. That and all we will be there, right? So before all this, let me introduce myself. Okay. Let me introduce myself. So myself, I am Hari. I have, as of now, 14 plus years of experience in ETL. I have seen many ETL tools. Initially, I started with SSIS, then Talent, then ADF, that is Azure Data Factory. From the last 6 and 7 years, and with Informatica IICS or IDMC as of now, right? So I worked as a senior technical trainer, and also even now also I am also providing the training also for many corporate companies for as a KT training, right? So I thought to do the same training for everyone now, because many of the people are not having any idea, not having any kind of guidance, right? Career guidance, or what they have to learn. Simply they are learning something with where there is no calls at all, right? So many of the people are learning even Power Center now, because the number of call is very less. So if you learn only Power Center, there is no guarantee, or there is no calls also, right? So if you learn IICS, you will get good calls, but you cannot learn IICS directly. You have to go through Power Center, then you have to come for again IICS, right? It's a time consuming. It will be 2 months plus 2 months. It will take 4 months, and you have to pay separately, correct? Power Center you have to pay separately, and IICS you have to pay separately. So it will cost, and SQL also. So that SQL we are going to provide everything also here, right? So that within a this single pack you can learn everything, right? Yeah. Now, so what is this? How many days it will go? I think I explained about myself. So I provided KT training also for a number of companies. So from that I got the experience for giving the training in the platform, from all the platforms, Power Center, IICS, everything, right? Then total duration, we are having 45 to 50 days. And we are having, so number of sessions, it is 45 sessions we are having. Okay. Number of sessions, we are having 45 sessions. It will go for 45 to 50 days maximum. Okay. Then it will be 75 plus hours total training. So what is this Informatica Power Center? What is this IICS? Before that, we have to learn what is ETL, right? So that is the basic ETL. ETL means extract, transform, load. Okay. So where is this concept is using? So wherever the companies are they are running, okay, there it will be a lot of data will be producing. They have to keep the data somewhere, right? That is called data warehouse. Those data they have to they would maintain for the data analysis, for their business analytics, and for business analysis, everything. Okay, they have to check every month or every day also. So they want to understand their position. What about the competitor, everything? For that, they have to keep the data somewhere. Even if your company is, even if it is a 50 years old company, you have to maintain all the data from last 50 years. Then only you can do the data analysis, right? So many of the companies, they are doing this. Big companies, okay? So what is this Power Center? What is the IICS? The difference. Basically, this Power Center, Informatica Power Center, it is a on-premises ETL tool, and IICS, it is a cloud-based ETL tool. Otherwise, the function is almost everything same only. There is no much difference. There's no big difference between that and this. But this entirely, it is a cloud-based, it's a on-premises. So you must have some particular basic system requirements for installing Informatica Power Center. But that is not the case for IICS. Even if your system is having 4 GB RAM, then it is all right. Okay, you can install and you can use IICS. But in the case of Power Center, you should have at least 8 GB RAM or minimum 6 GB RAM should be there. And the space, you must have 100 GB. Then for this, 10 to 15 GB is enough for IICS. Okay, because the security agent, it will be not more than some maximum 2 GB. Okay, that's enough. 1 second. Yeah. So I'm audible, right? Yeah. Yeah, Karthik. Yeah, Anand. Yeah. Yeah, you can speak. You can unmute and you speak, or you can also chat here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So learning Power Center and IICS in same batch. Yes, yes. Every concept, each and every concept will go parallelly. So the first batch, wherever we completed, so first batch out of 30 people, 7 people have got the job before completing the session. And in the IICS combo batch 2, 8 people have the last batch, 8 people have got the job before completing the full session. So after that, the first batch, after completing all the sessions, within 1 month, other 7 people have got the job totally, and remaining people and all, they are all already working, right? So we will segregate the people into different categories. That is aggressive, not aggressive. I'll tell you now once again. So let us finish this. Okay, this is the difference between Power Center and IICS. So any doubt in this? Okay. Yeah. Now, so what kind of data we will have? Customer data, product data, sales data. Okay. Then we will have, if it is a banking sector, there will be banking related data. Then retail, if it is, then the retail data, customer data and all. Okay. Whatever the selling data, all these things. If it is healthcare related data, right? Their products. Similarly, for insurance, we'll have different policies, right? For that. Then what is this ETL? ETL, it is not started only in the corporate level, we are doing ETL even in the home level also. Okay. How? So we will do the data analysis even in the home also, right? Even in our home, we will be doing the data analysis. How? We will check what is the expenses it is happening, right? So, yeah. That's what I'm saying, like ETL. Yes. So we will do these things and all even in the home, right? That's what I'm saying. Yes. So for example, if you are earning 1 lakh per month, you have to see that how much I'm spending, how much I'm. So we'll also write the data and we will keep somewhere, right? So that will be useful for tomorrow. Okay. So what was my expenses in the last month? So these are also we can call as data, right? So then we'll see like this. Then we will what is the vegetable per month? What is my 1,500 rupees for one bag rice? And so overall, you can make some 50K saving like that. Okay. Then based on your expenses. So that is also, then end of the month, you will start to plan, okay, how to improve my, how to reduce the unwanted expenses. So these all are the one of the data analysis within the home. Same thing in the corporate level, they will be doing. That is in a huge way. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what are the ETL tools available in the market? ETL tools, right? So what all are the ETL tools we are having in the market? So multiple market tools we are having, ETL tools, right? Informatica Power Center. So it's a on-premises, and it's a usually we call it as here as a bachelor degree for our session. IICS Cloud, it's a master degree we are calling as, and Azure Data Factory, and Talent. Talent also we are having on-premises and cloud. Ab initio, SAP bots, HANA, okay, SAP Cloud, it's a database, and also SAP bots, it is a, and we are having, here also we are having, even SAP also, we had previously on-premises and also now cloud, that is called HANA, okay. Similarly, we are having something called OLTP and OLAP. So OLTP means online transaction processing, and online analytical processing means, so the data, whatever you're getting daily, that data we will be keeping somewhere, right? Within the companies, right? So they have to keep the data and they have to do the data analysis. So in this level, a lot of daily transaction will be there. So it will make some fluctuations and it will be difficult for you to do the data analysis. So let us keep all the data somewhere. Then you do the data. So yesterday data and last month data, last year data. So that purpose we have to keep somewhere, right? So that is what we are keeping it in the OLAP. This is what OLAP, 50 years data we can keep. So there the picture is coming, ETL. So you are not going to load everything to the data warehouse. So here we will do the extract, transform, load. That is called ETL, right? This is how here only the ETL developer is coming into the picture. The ETL developer will do this activity, this ETL, right? That's what most of the companies, they will have all these activities. That is what without doing all this, they cannot maintain the data warehouse. So that is why the ETL developer is in the demand. Okay. So for example, if you take this Lifebuoy soap, it is 100+ years old company, right? 100+ years old company. They have to maintain the data. Previously, the data was maintained in different way. Now they are maintaining in a different way. Okay. The trend is keep on changing, but they have to keep the data. Okay. So the Lifebuoy, they have to they have to compare with the competitors, the Lux, Rexona, Hamam and all. Okay. So they cannot increase the price immediately. So they have to balance with all the other products who are having as competitors. So there only the picture is coming. All this data analysis, ETL and everything. Okay. Okay. Then what is this cloud? Cloud means you have to keep the data in the cloud. You are not going to keep in your own server. So server, the people who are maintaining server database, they will have their own server. Okay. They have to keep the data in their own server. So that's what, for example, Power Center, if you go for even database, Oracle, 11G, and so many other things, SQL Server. Okay. So all this is on premises. Okay. If you want to go for this one and all, so this is cloud one. In the cloud, this IICS, it's a cloud one as a ETL tool. In the database, if you see, so many database having, okay, we are having GCP, right? The database we are having GCP, and we are having Snowflake. And Salesforce, so many things is there, right? So that's what the basic ETL and the on-premises and the cloud. So in our session, we are going to do the Oracle writings with even AI, artificial intelligence also we are going to give. Okay. So how to use the AI for writing the Oracle, that also we can learn. So what is the special features in our training? Okay. Learning multiple technologies in one batch, that is, okay, within the 2 months, you can learn IICS 2 months. If you go Power Center IICS separately, it will take 4 months and you have to pay separately. Okay, the time Power Center IICS. But in our session, we are going to give in the same session. Then we will have the job assistance with real time. Every session we will be keep on following. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Paresh, right? Yeah. Yeah, Paresh. Okay. Yes. Sure. Yeah, we will give, yes, recording, and every day we will share the recording, notes and exercise and everything. Yes. Yeah. Then there is an important concept called API. Okay. API, why we are using this API? Okay. You can, so wherever you don't want to access the data directly, they will use a API. Okay. So even it is the different thing is, it will be a current data. So the difference between CDI and CAI, CDI, it is like same like Power Center, cloud data integration, and API, application programming interface, right? So basically why we are using this is, if you go for Google Map API, the Google Map API, which is using by the Ola, Uber, wherever the people who are providing service with the support of Google Map, then they have to approach the Google Map API, right? That's how it is working. Similarly, we are having so many examples we can say. If you go for AccuWeather API, so they are providing the weather service. For that, with the support of even the Google, they are approaching the AccuWeather. So that is the position of AccuWeather. World level, they are providing a lot of companies. They are having a lot of calls daily. So you can go and see in the Google also what is AccuWeather, how they are providing the API service, right? So then we are having WHO, that is they provided the COVID API. COVID API we can, by using the Arogya Setu, we can take the API. That is, it's a public API. This banking sector, if you go for banking sector, we are using PhonePe and all, right? PhonePe, GPay, UPI, what all are the UPI tools, whatever the apps we are using, they will connect with the banking API. Okay. So each and every, if you want to go for you want to see the balance of in your bank, they will have a separate API, and for every function, we'll have a separate API, right? So that is how the API will be there. We will have a separate session for API. Okay, it will be 6-7 sessions for only for API. So 7 sessions we will have minimum only for API. So every day we will have 1.5 hours to 2 hours class, right? Then first you can pay the first half of the amount, and you can pay after 14 session. That is one thing. Then for referring also, because why we are moting for referring and all. So just see the people who are really struggling, okay, for the job. So with very less salary and all, see such people. So we are not looking for the people who are already in a very good job and all. Okay. Okay. Of those, you can come and join, but our focus is we have to take the people who are really struggling in the ground level. Okay. Then we will provide the get recordings and exercises and everything, right? So interview preparation from day one, parallel and series mappings will be there. That is, we will do the mappings in the Power Center and also IICS. Okay. So parallel means every step we will go parallelly. Series means after completing in Power Center, then IICS, or after completing the IICS, then you can go for Power Center, like that. Okay. Then social, that whatever the 108 interview questions we will share first on the day one, and then after 14 session, we will go this 508 interview question. Then we will give this Azure. Even this also will give the data connection and all. Learn Azure, Snowflake, Salesforce, GCP basic connections also. Okay. Then all these things we can give. Special 208 interview question on CAI, right? Then 508 interview question on Power Center, 208, and so all these things we can give interview questions so that you can prepare and you can crack the interview and you can, right? We will do the mock interview after the 28th session. That is the major difference in our session. We will do the mock interview after the 20th session itself. After prepared once if you complete the 20th session, we have to prepare the resume preparation and a Naukri profile and all. So attending live interview after 25th or 23rd session also. Okay. So that we are not going to mute everyone. Okay. We will not mute anyone in our session. So it will be completely interactive session. Okay. Many of you might see in my YouTube channel, our classes and all I uploaded. So the students will be asking the questions in between. We'll be answering, right? Then that's what our thing. So if you got some doubt, if I keep on continuing the session, so you will be stuck up with the doubt, right? The doubt clearance is very important. Then only you can able to observe the next session, whatever we are talking here, right? So that's what. Then second mock interview we'll have after 30th session. Then we will have data connections from Oracle, Snowflake, AWS, and GCP, everything. Okay. Then we will have special documents for all the sessions, mapping documents, okay, guidance and materials, everything will give a mapping document will be there. That is better than video. Okay. For example, let me show one of the mapping document, how it will be there in our session. Okay. So this is a mapping document. By following the mapping document also, you can do a lot of things. You can also watch the video. We'll give the video also. So everything will give everything. Okay, just you can practice this all the SQL, every session, if I go for rank, this rank transformation, in this, you have the complete thing. You can do the rank, all the things will be there. Whatever the basic queries for dense rank, okay. Just you can copy paste and you can practice in the SQL, okay. For example, I'll just copy this query and you can paste directly in the here, right? The Oracle. The S is not selected here. You can see here, right? So it's very, very easy for you to practice SQL. It's very easy for you to practice Power Center. So we have the data and we are providing the data documents also like that. So you can go through everything. So here we have started the mapping. So up to this SQL, now IICS Cloud. Then after that, we will have even Power Center also. Okay. Here you can see one more example, aggregation, mapping document. So you can do the aggregation and all by using the SQL first. We'll have the SQL. So first it is started here is Power Center, how to do the aggregation. Then IICS, how to do the aggregation by using the IICS, all the concepts, right? Then joining, if you want to go for joining, yes. So we'll provide the exercises. Yeah, please unmute Shiva Krishna Bachu.
Hi, Rashid.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm working on non-IT.
Okay.
I'm quality control in an insurance company.
Yeah.
So, I'm completed. But I worked on quality
Actually,
control.
where you got this link actually? Where from you have joined?
Bcz General Insurance, I worked on. Right.
No, ఎక్కడ మీకు ఈ లింక్ దొరికింది ఇప్పుడు?
మాకు ఇన్ఫర్మేటికా ఒక వాట్సాప్ ఉంది, దాంట్లో దొరికింది.
జూమ్, ఓకే, వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లా?
అవునా.
అచ్చా, ఓకే, ఫైన్, ఓకే.
సో నేను యాక్చువల్లీ లాస్ట్ సారీ ఫర్ ద ఇంటరప్షన్, క్లాస్లో ఎందుకు ఇంటరప్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను?
నో ప్రాబ్లం. చెప్పండి, ఏం డౌట్ ఉంది మీకు?
లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను ఇన్ఫర్మేటికా ఎస్క్యూఎల్ పవర్ సెంటర్, బట్ కాల్స్ లేదు. బట్ ఏంటంటే నేను నా డిగ్రీ వచ్చేసి అంబేద్కర్ యూనివర్సిటీ కంప్లీట్ అయింది 14లో. అండ్ దాని తర్వాత నేను ఫ్యామిలీ ఇష్యూస్ వల్ల జాబ్ జాయిన్ అయ్యాను నాన్ ఐటీలో. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 16లో నేను ఎంకామ్ చేశాను.
నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ డిగ్రీ కంప్లీట్ చేసినారు కదా?
అవును.
సో ఐఈసిఎస్ పవర్ సెంటర్, మీకు పవర్ సెంటర్ సెషన్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది కదా?
పవర్ సెంటర్ అయిపోయింది, ఐఏసిఎస్ కూడా అయిపోయింది.
ఓకే, ఐఏసిఎస్ కంప్లీట్ చేసినారా?
చేశాను, బట్ కానీ నా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో గ్యాప్ ఉండడం వల్ల రావట్లేదా మరి ఏంటా అనేది నాకు అర్థం కావడం లేదు. డిస్టెన్స్ అని చెప్పి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయట్లేదా? లాస్ట్ 1 year నుంచి.
మీ డిగ్రీ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పెట్టినారా?
అంబేద్కర్ యూనివర్సిటీ.
ఓకే. సో టోటల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీది?
నాన్ ఐటీలో వచ్చేసి 5 years ఉంది. 2017 నుంచి వెళ్ళినాం.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో డిగ్రీ ఎప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ చేసినారు?
14లో అయిపోయింది.
14లో మీరు డిగ్రీ కంప్లీట్ చేసినారు, రైట్? ఓకే. సో డిగ్రీ వచ్చి మీకు అది డిస్టెన్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ చేసినారా?
అవునండి.
ఓకే. సో డిస్టెన్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఉంది, దానికోసం ప్రాబ్లం అనేసి ఎవరైనా చెప్పినారా? యు ఆర్ అజ్యూమింగ్ లైక్ దట్?
I'm assuming like that. Nobody not says to you're not eligible. But I'm imagining.
ఓకే, మీ రెజ్యూమ్ అంతా పెట్టి అంతా దానికి డైలీ అప్డేట్ చేసేది ఇదంతా చేసినారా?
అప్పుడు చేశాను. లాస్ట్ 1 year బ్యాక్ నేర్చుకుని అప్పుడు నేను నాన్ ఐటీలో జాబ్ చేస్తూ మానేసి దీని మీద కూర్చున్నాను 1 year. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ జాబ్ లేదు. సో మళ్ళీ దీని మీదే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఇంకా ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు 1 ఇయర్ అయిపోయింది, ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఖాళీగా ఉంటావు అని చెప్పేసి మళ్ళీ నా పాత కంపెనీకే మళ్ళీ రిజైన్ అయ్యాను.
ఓకే. మీరు ఎక్కడైనా పని చేయాలి. యూ కెనాట్ సిట్ ఐడిల్. ఓకే.
అదే
ఎందుకంటే సర్వైవల్ ఉంది కదా!
హ్మ్.
సో, సర్వైవల్ కోసరం మీరు పని చేయాలి. బట్ ప్యారలల్‌గా మీరు వెరీ అగ్రెసివ్‌లీ మీరు ఇక్కడను పని చేయాలి. ఇక్కడను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే.
అవును. అవునండి.
అక్కడ పోయి ఫుల్ అక్కడనే స్టక్ అయ్యేది ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ ద సేమ్ మిస్టేక్. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడైనా పని
Yes,
చేస్తే
yes.
ఫుల్లీ డెడికేట్ అవుతారు. ఓకే.
అవును.
ఇక్కడ
అవును.
ఏమి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అక్కడ వర్క్ ప్రెషర్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. బట్
ఓకే.
స్టిల్ వి హావ్ టు బ్యాలెన్స్.
యెస్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
ఓకే. అక్కడ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలి. మీరు ఓకే ఫుల్ టైర్డ్ అయిపోయింది. దెన్ ఐ విల్ గో ఫర్ స్లీప్. నాట్ లైక్ దట్. ఓకే.
నో, నో, నో.
మీరు మీరు
నాట్
ఎఫర్ట్
టైకింగ్
పెడితే
మై గోల్.
ఎఫర్ట్ షుడ్ బి దేర్. ఓకే. మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 8
యాహ్! యాహ్!
మీరు జాబ్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి వచ్చినారు. అట్లీస్ట్ 1 అవర్
ఓకే.
యూ హావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ దిస్.
షూర్,
Then
డెఫినెట్లీ.
you have to keep a strong belief. Okay, I will get the job in IT. ఆ బిలీఫ్ రావాలి
ఓకే.
నీకు.
యాహ్!
మోస్ట్
అవునండి.
ఆఫ్ ద
అవును.
పీపుల్
యాక్చువల్లీ
ఏమంటే
ఏంటంటే నేను
ఆ బిలీఫ్ ఉండేలేదు. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ ఏ నాన్ ఐటీ పర్సన్, ఐ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ద జాబ్, ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ దట్, ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ దిస్, ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్. ఓకే. సో దట్ థాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే. సో మెనీ
బట్
ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ చెప్పండి.
యాక్చువల్లీ సమ్‌వన్ లా
Mm.
సేయింగ్ మీ బట్ యు ఆర్ ద
వాట్ దే ఆర్ టెలింగ్. చెప్పండి.
యాప్ బట్
వాయిస్
నాట్
బ్రేక్ అయింది మీది.
లాస్ట్ 7 నేను ఇన్ఫర్మేటికా మీదే కూర్చున్నా జాబ్ బంద్ చేసి. ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందా అండి? హలో.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే. ఓకే. సో
లాస్ట్
ఇన్ఫర్మేటికా
7
పవర్
మంత్స్.
సెంటర్‌కి ఇప్పుడు కాల్స్ తక్కువనే.
అవును.
ఐఐసీఎస్‌కి కాల్స్ తక్కువ లేదు. గుడ్ కాల్స్ ఉంది.
ఓకే.
కాల్స్
ఓకే.
ఉంది. సో
ఓకే.
మేక్ ఏ స్ట్రాంగ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ బోత్ పవర్ సెంటర్ అండ్ ఐఐసీఎస్. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంతా ఇప్పుడు మైగ్రేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఉంది.
అవును. మైగ్రేషన్ నడుస్తుందంట.
మైగ్రేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ద గుడ్ స్కిల్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ పవర్ సెంటర్, ఈవెన్ ఇన్ ఐఐసీఎస్. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
సో హౌ టు డూ ద
అంటే
మైగ్రేషన్, సో మైగ్రేషన్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ అదంతా మీరు నేర్చుకోతే దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో క్రాక్ చేసేదికి మీకు ఫుల్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్‌గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే.
యాహ్! ఎగ్జాక్ట్‌లీ. యాక్చువల్లీ
ఇక్కడ
నేను లాస్ట్ 2020 2023లో 22 నవంబర్ నుంచి 23 వరకు నవంబర్ వరకు కూర్చున్నాను దీని మీదే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి. 1 ఇయర్ కూర్చున్నాను. బట్ నాకు ఎక్కువగా కాల్స్ లేవు. బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ బయట రెసిషన్ నడుస్తుంది కాబట్టి కాల్స్ తక్కువగా ఉన్నాయని చెప్పేసి ఇంకా ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు
ఇప్పుడు
ప్రెషర్
రిసెషన్ ఇష్యూ లేదు. కాల్స్ ఉంది. ప్లేస్ అవుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అంత వర్స్ట్ సిట్యుయేషన్ లేదు. ఓకే. బిఫోర్ సమ్
అదే ఇప్పుడు
2
ఎలా
మంత్స్ అంతా
ప్రెషర్
ఓకే. బిఫోర్ 2 మంత్స్ అంతా ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉండే.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దట్ మచ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకే. అవర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ లాస్ట్ బ్యాచ్‌లో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 30 పీపుల్ 8 పీపుల్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్లేస్ అయినారు. దట్ మీన్స్ దేర్ ఈస్ నో ఎనీ ఇష్యూ. కరెక్ట్ కదా!
అదే ఎలా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలి? ఫ్రెషర్‌గా
అప్రోచ్
అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలా?
నో. ప్రెషర్ ఇట్లా లేదు. మీరు ప్రెషర్‌గా అప్రోచ్ చేస్తే దేర్ ఈస్ నో ఎనీ డిమాండ్ ఫర్ యూ. సో
ఓకే.
మీరేం చేయాలంటే 5 ఇయర్స్‌కి ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
దెన్
బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ
మీరు
నాకు
ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్‌గా వన్ థింగ్ నేను చెప్తాను అడగండి. జస్ట్
ఓకే.
వినండి.
ఓకే.
సో మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ స్కిల్ స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితే ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు
ఓకే.
క్రాక్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ వెరీ గుడ్ అండ్
ఓకే.
ఇదంతా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అంతా బాగుంటే
ఓకే.
they will not worry about your degree, whether it is a distance education or whatever the education. Okay.
ఓకే.
Degree ante degree ante. Okay.
యెస్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్‌లీ.
Then
యాహ్!
when you are having some issues, then they will see all these things and all. Okay.
ఓకే.
First of all, you become very strong in the skill.
ఓకే.
Power center and IICS SQL practice చాలా బాగా చేయాలి. ఓకే.
మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యాహ్! మోస్ట్
SQL also
ఇంపార్టెంట్
very
థింగ్ చెప్పారు.
important. ఓకే. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు 10
యాహ్!
క్వెషన్స్‌లో they will ask 4 to 5 questions in SQL. So
యెస్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్‌లీ. లాస్ట్ టైమ్ ఐ అటెండ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టీసీఎస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఎస్‌క్యూఎల్ బోత్.
yes. ఎస్క్యూఎల్ మాత్రమే మీరు చదువుతున్నప్పుడు జాబ్ ఉంది. ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఆల్సో. సో యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ విత్
Yes,
కాన్ఫిడెన్స్.
exactly.
ఓకే. డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ నాన్ ఐటీ, అది ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, డిగ్రీ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, డిస్టెన్స్
Okay.
ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఉంది, అదంతా లేదు. ఓకే. కీప్
Okay.
ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్
Okay.
అసైడ్ అండ్ యూ పుట్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్.
Okay.
Wherever you're putting
Okay.
effort, naturally you have to get some result also. Correct?
ఓకే. ఓకే. యాహ్!
సో
ఎగ్జాక్ట్‌లీ.
మీరు బట్ ఏమంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు బ్యాలెన్స్ విత్ ద జాబ్. జాబ్ ఇడిసి
ఓకే.
నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాను. దట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫన్నీ థింగ్. ఓకే.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
సో మెనీ ఆఫ్ ద
బోత్
పీపుల్ డూయింగ్
బ్యాలెన్స్.
దట్.
యాహ్!
మీరు ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ పొద్దు ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఈట్ ద ఫుడ్ కదా.
యాహ్! యాహ్!
ఇప్పుడు
ఎగ్జాక్ట్‌లీ.
ఫ్యామిలీ ఉంది. ఫ్యామిలీ చూడాలి. కరెక్టా?
హ్మ్.
సో
అవును.
మైండ్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేట్ అయితే వితౌట్ మనీ యూ విల్ బి ఇన్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేటెడ్ మోడ్. యూ కెనాట్ లెర్న్ ఎనీథింగ్ కదా.
ఆ!
ఫస్ట్
అవునండి.
కొంచెం మీరు
యాక్చువల్లీ
రిలాక్స్ అవ్వాలి. రిలాక్స్ కావాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ మనీ.
యాహ్! యాహ్!
ఫర్ దట్ యూ హావ్ టు వర్క్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద జాబ్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ప్లీజ్ వర్క్. ఓకే.
बट अभी तो समवन इज बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन टू मच हार्ड ना.
అట్లా లేదు. బ్యాక్‌గ్రౌండ్ వెరిఫికేషన్ అంతా కంపెనీ మీరు ఎందుకు టీసీఎస్‌కి అంతా పోతారు?
ఆహా! నేను అక్కడ వెళ్ళలేదు. ఐ యామ్
టీసీఎస్,
నాట్ జాయిన్.
ఇన్ఫోసిస్ అంతా మీరు టెక్ మహీంద్రా అదంతా వద్దు.
ఓకే.
Keep so many other companies as there. Okay. We are having lakhs of
ఓకే.
companies in the market.
ఓకే.
Okay.
ఓకే.
Just forget about TCS, forget about Infosys, forget about Tech Mahindra and all these companies. Okay.
ఓకే.
They will have a very strong background verification, this thing. Okay.
అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, లాస్ట్ క్వెషన్.
Mm.
డోంట్ మైండ్.
Mm.
నాది నాన్ ఐటీలో పీఎఫ్ ఉంది.
Mm.
Gigakin PF also. Last 5 years, since 2017 to till now, it will be Gigakin EPF.
Ah.
So after I'm getting 5 years experience, it is
Mm.
any getting problem in there if you are not get that IT job.
Okay. So it may clash you're telling PF is, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the company actually? What kind of company is that?
My company is insurance company, service one.
Insurance
Okay.
company. So
Yeah,
insurance
Freedom
company
General
also,
Insurance.
they will also have some these kind of related positions and all, right?
Yes.
So like data analyzation or ETL developer or some
Yeah.
data related job will be there, right?
Yes.
So you don't want to go for any fake experience. You mentioned the same company, whatever you are mentioning. In the
Okay.
same company, I'm working as a data engineer. I'm working as a
Oh.
ETL developer. I'm working as a SQL developer, right?
Actually, right now I'm working on quality control testing, data testing.
Yeah, you are
And
already in IT only, correct?
non-IT, but we are
No, that is
creating
a quality. Okay, quality testing means it's something like production related, right?
yeah, production related. If you
You
are
don't want
getting
to
you
mention those things and all. You just mention that I am a data engineer. That's all. Okay.
okay,
So you
but
say that I am in the IT sector in the same company. That's all. I am in the.
okay,
That's all. Simple. That company also will have a IT related, right?
yes,
Data related things and
data
all.
related. Yeah, everything
Yes.
data related.
Yeah. So just mention those things.
Okay,
Then you can manage like that. Otherwise, don't want to
okay,
mention that I am working in the non-IT and all these things. Okay.
okay.
So unless
But
they are, yeah.
yeah, everything documents is providing account executive
Hmm.
associate, but
Okay.
it is everything no? That I mean,
Yes,
quality.
yes. That and all we have to do. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
See,
Rashid.
we
Thank you
have to
for the call.
survive somehow or other. We have to survive. We cannot keep on for lifetime taking some salary, 30,000, 40,000. That is not possible nowadays, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to do something. All these things and all we have to do. Okay.
Sure, sure,
So
sure.
whatever you're doing, nobody should affect on that. Okay.
Okay.
If you're
I'm
doing
if you,
some mistake or something, some
okay,
thing,
okay,
so that should not be affect for anyone. Nobody should cry on that. Okay,
okay.
by giving some trouble to someone, you should not do that. That's what the mistake. That's what the wrong thing. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So for
And
my
my
survival,
company.
I am doing some changes in my certificate and so many things and all. It's not a very big offense and all. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm
My
keeping
company
some fake
software.
experience. That also it's all right. It's not an issue.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
So many of our students, they are also keeping fake experience. They also got the job. They are also surviving. Okay.
Yeah.
So all these things and all, but I don't suggest to go for many of the students. They are looking for even proxy. I don't
Okay.
suggest for proxy. Proxy is a useless thing. That no.
Actually, if I'm taking the proxy, if in the onboarding time, we are lot of pressuring the work, facing the
Yes.
issues and facing the problem. If you are
Yeah.
directly
So you
if
have
you are
to keep the proxy even to speak to your manager. Then
everything.
is it possible? Not
No,
possible,
nothing,
right?
nothing, Paul.
So that's what
Actually, now I'm
you
working.
become the proxy for yourself. Okay.
Now I'm working. My software is Nova software. It is completely AI automation.
Mm.
Working on everything is I mean, not only manually preparation, it's completely
Yeah.
auto
Okay.
software.
So we will complete all these things. Once again, we will speak, okay?
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you, Vasu.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. If any other doubt also, you can speak after sometimes, and others also you can speak. So not only chatting, you guys can speak also. You can unmute and you can speak also. Okay. So this is how the session will be there. So we will have a quiz program every Saturday, right? Every Saturday we'll have a quiz program. Then we will have, after the 20th session, we will have the mock interview also. Okay. So we will do the resume preparation. We will do the SWOT analysis about you. Then I can give the feedback about where you want to improve, where you are, where is your strength, where is your weakness. So after the completion of the mock interview, I can tell everything about you. Based on that, you can work again and you can attend the live interview. You can start to attend the live interview after that, right? So if you want to go for any experience certificate, that and also we are having some people for this. So we can go for that also. It is not a big issue. Okay. But don't go for some MNCs like TCS, Infosys, and all. Okay. They will have a very good, very strong background verification team. Then attending live interviews, start attending the live interviews. So that's what I told: strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, right? Then you should be placed in a company before 30th or 35th session. That's what I told already, right? So we will put our maximum effort with you. Okay, I will also put the maximum effort. We will have the mock interview and every day we will groom you. Okay, we will have the SQL, we will have the Power Center, we will have the IICS. Then end of the session, we will have a doubt clearing session. And in between also, you can ask whatever. I will not mute, right? Then we will have question and answer session separately. Then regular follow-up with you, right? So I will separate the people in this way. That is very aggressive, and not aggressive. Very aggressive means whoever is looking for the job immediately, they are very aggressive. Aggressive means after completing all the sessions, they want to go relax. Okay. Not aggressive means the people who are already working, they are not looking for the job. That's what not aggressive. Right. Then guidance to complete the exercises. I will give the exercises daily and I will give the guidance also how to complete the exercise. If you are not able to complete, I can support. Practice with real-time projects. Most of the things we will have real-time. Okay. So all the sessions we'll try to compare with the real-time. So you should crack the interview, right? Then what are the batches we are having? Morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. one batch. That is IICS combo batch. And 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. there is a IICS Cloud batch. Okay. So the charge here is 9,600 for this one, IICS combo batch, and 8,600 for only IICS. And again, if the people are joining, I can go for even this also, 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. But many of our students, they are joining for IICS combo only, right? So 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's what the current batch, whatever we are doing now, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. IICS combo batch, right? We'll have a complete SQL, Power Center, and IICS, including the CDI and CAI, right? So who can join this batch? Okay. So we are not taking more than 20 to 30 people per batch. Why? Why? Because if I mute you, so you will be stuck with the doubt and you cannot hear the whatever I'm talking. So you cannot understand whatever we are talking, right? You will be in a confused mode. Okay, what is this? Some he told something I couldn't understand, right? So that will be a issue for you. So after that, whatever I'm talking, you cannot understand, right? For that, I don't mute anyone. If you're having any doubt, you can ask and we will clear and move it on, right? So this is what I told. I think already in the previous video also, I told everything. So every batch, I'm telling the same things, right? So So the conclusion here is, if I take assume that I am taking 100 people, if I take everyone, if they are started to ask the question, I cannot answer, right? For that, we are not taking more than 20 to 30 people per batch, right? So then with this only we can manage, because we have to keep the touch with all the students. They have to interact with more interaction with the interview and interview questions and everything. So per batch 20 to 30, that is enough, right? So WhatsApp group, we'll have separate WhatsApp group for female students and male students. Then based on the batch, IICS combo batch and IICS cloud batch, we will have a separate group batch, and every 10 people will have a separate WhatsApp group, so that you can practice well, right? Okay, don't send any general messages and all, right? So it's purely for session Informatica doubts and practices, and you can ask doubt about upcoming session or like Informatica and IICS, and whatever the technical doubts you can share and you can discuss in that. So topics covered in the batch: Oracle 11G, Snowflake, GCP, Salesforce, Informatica Power Center, IICS Cloud, Unix, and we will have even the GCP connection I already mentioned. We'll have the Ubuntu installation for Unix practice. So Jira, all these things, okay? Then IICS Informatica Security Agent Services, that's what I told. So we will have a separate installation guides. By following the guides, you can able to install very easily, okay? So in the future, in the upcoming session, we are planning even for all these TAL and SAP bots, SSIS, Power BI, Tableau. So all these also we are planning, right? So database session also we are planning, that is AWS, Snowflake, Teradata, SAP HANA and all. So we'll see one by one, okay? Yeah. So supports available, a complete career guidance for each and every individual. We'll have the career guidance. So everyone will have a different issues. Based on that, we have to give the solutions, right? Everyone will have a different problem. So okay, just now like Shivu told he is having some issues. So we have to give the suggestion based on that, separately, right? So then complete training to crack the interview, how you can crack the interview easily. So that and all, we'll have the mock interview, we'll have the quiz program every Saturday. So all these practices for that only, to crack the interview only, okay? In our training, then we will get the experience. 3 to 4 years experience you will get within our training, okay? After completion of the 45 days session, even actually more than that, because most of the real-time people, they are working, so they are not even aware that what they are doing and all. Simply they will give some task, they will be doing. Why they are doing, they don't have any logic also, okay? So that knowledge, that will not be like this, okay? We will have in our session, we will give the knowledge of more than 3 to 4 years experience, whatever, okay? Resume preparation, then you can call anytime, WhatsApp call, or you can also WhatsApp, or you can also call, right? For any doubt clearance. So who can join our Informatica session? So anyone who completed any degree, bachelor degree or master degree or any degree, you can join our session. Any technical degree or non-technical degree, everything, right? Okay, if someone discontinued, that's what some issue is there in degree or something, you can call me, I will give some better suggestions, okay? Separately you can call, because degree is very important. If you are having any issue in your degree, then call me, I'll tell you some of the. So then freshers, for freshers, I'm not going to take directly. So I can suggest you can learn SQL first. Then you can join as a SQL developer. Okay. That is possible. So you will not get ETL job without any experience. At least 2-3 years experience should be there, right? Then basically they will be placed in the campus university. So if they are not placed, then without job they are going to come, right? So that time you will be in the struggle. So you have to take some courses like this, SQL or even whatever the possible you can learn. Okay. So even freshers also, I can suggest you do some job, whatever you're getting the job, you do and you learn parallelly. Don't, because so it should not become a survival issue, right? Okay. So with earning, you have to learn whatever you're learning. Earning should be there. Without earning, don't go for only. That will be difficult, right? So do some training and keep that SQL, whatever SQL or whatever you're learning. Mention that in the resume, and you can go for that, right? Software installation, we are having the different guides. For example, this is the guide for us. So this is the IICS combo batch materials, including video and everything. And this is IICS combo batch 2. This is the morning and evening, all the things. Okay. So we will have the, so for example, this snowflake guide, installation guide. Okay. This is how we have, it will be there. You can take and you can, I'll share all this. You can install within 10 minutes. Right. Similarly, we are having for all the things. For even for IICS, we are having a separate guide like this. Okay. Welcome to easy installation guide. This is security agent. Similarly, we have even for Power Center installation. Just to follow this guide, you can able to install in some 45 minutes. You can install very easily. Okay. Power Center, it will take some time to install. Just to follow this guide, you can able to install very easily. Most easiest. You can download all these softwares by using this link, and you can start to install. Right? Yeah. Then we will have the sessions will be like this. We'll have filter, Excel. Okay. So all the sessions we will cover up to 46 sessions, 45 sessions it will take up to, including the API. We will have API, at least 7 sessions will be there. API alone. Then all the sessions, for example, if I go for joining, we will do the joining. First of all, in the SQL. See here, this is a video. Let me play this video. So this is a last batch video. So we will discuss what is, why we have to do the joining, what is the real time. Okay. So it will go like this. You can just copy paste this query and you can practice very easily, right? Then you can do the joining in the IICS. You can do the joining in Power Center, right? That's why it will take some time. It will take 1.5 hour, 2 hour also. Some sessions will take 2 hours also, right? So we'll have the complete scenario. You can see that SQL is there. Here we have IICS. Complete things. Okay, joining 2-3 tables. How? That also we can. Just you can all these and all. You can just copy paste. I'll share all this document. So just you can copy paste in the SQL and you can practice, right? So it will make very easy for you to practice even SQL also, right? So everything will be there, parameters and variables, all the sessions we will cover everything. Okay, performance tuning, project explanation, connection with macros, connection with the GCP, AWS, right? CAI session. We'll have 7 sessions on CAI. So this is the API session. Okay, it's a introduction of API. I think it will be there. So it will go like this. We have to install the Postman and all in this. We'll discuss the API. Okay. Some of the API sessions I'm going to upload in our YouTube channel also. So you can also see that also. Okay. Then like this, we'll do the software installation, everything. We'll have the guide for everything. Ubuntu installation guide will be there, Unix and everything. Okay. Then, so my request always, please practice well. Okay. So I am here to guide always. You can approach me anytime. You can call, except the time where I am doing the session. All the times I will receive the call and I will support. Even our team also is there. They will also support. Okay. So first of all, you have to change your mindset. As I already told, leave all the difficult things. Just you assume that, so I'm going to learn this, I have to get the job. For that, you have to create a new mindset within you. So that's what new mindset will get a new results and all. Okay. So that we will see. And if you want, you can do some practices in the morning, right? So it will give a lot of energy, some meditation and all, okay, to keep the mind very strong and calm. Okay. So it will helpful for you for the whole day, right? This is what is the language of database? The language of database is structured query language. That is what SQL. So to retrieve the data from database, right? Then what is data? The data means it is not that only it will be there in the data warehouse. So these are also small data warehouse only, pen drive, your hard disk, and CD, everything to keep the data, right? So we'll maintain the data in the book previously, right? So whenever you're doing some expenses in your home at the beginning of the session, I told, right? So like this, we will have the different expenses in the home itself. So we are starting the ETL in the home itself. Okay, the data analyzation and everything. So end of the month, we have to see the savings. What is my savings and everything? Okay, if you start a business, assume that you start a business in Hyderabad or Chennai or Bangalore. So it will keep on grow, right? So next it will go to the international level. It will go to all the states, then international level. So what about the data? Data is a very big issue here. Okay, we are having so many issues even in the home itself to maintain the data and the data. If you forgot some data, then it will be a very big issue, right? So you have to keep all the data and you have to keep the different teams for this. So that is how the picture is coming, this ETL and all. Okay, for data analysis. Okay, you have to do the comparison with the competitors. You have to do the comparison with the Zomato and Swiggy. You have to do the comparison with the Ola, means they will compare with the Uber, Samsung to LG. So like this, okay, customer data, employees data, all these things. So this is the Google server. Once I got the opportunity to go there, okay. So they will keep all the data like this. Okay, this is one of the example I can say. Here we will have OLTP and OLAP, online transaction processing and online analytical. So to keep the data, and they have to do the analytics here. Reportings, they will take the reportings. As I already told, we will have different input. So one, it is coming from some CRM and ERP and some billing flat files and another databases. That is called heterogeneous input, right? Then it will be moved to the ETL and it will be moved to the data warehouse. From here, they will take the data and they will do all the analytics, right? So importance of business analysis. Okay. So why data analysis has to be done? If you ask, for example, we'll have something called marketing concept and selling concept. Marketing concept means we'll be focusing both in the selling and marketing. Selling means you are not focusing much on the marketing, only you are selling, keep on. Then that is a dangerous scenario. So whoever is doing the marketing and also they are doing their day-to-day sellings, so that they can able to survive. That is how this ambassador car it is failed. Okay. So they are not seeing the future perspective, how it is coming, so that the company is closed, right? So we have to adapt, we have to do the forecasting properly. What is tomorrow and how it will come, you have to assume, and based on that we have to work. Otherwise, you cannot survive, right? So these are the basic databases in the market and importance of SQL popular. Okay, we'll have different databases in the market. The on-premises database and cloud databases, right? So these are some common on-premises databases: Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and okay. So all this is cloud one: Oracle 21C, 18C, AWS Athena, right? So open source and MySQL, MS SQL Server. So whatever the database you take, 90% it is having the same SQL only. If you learn SQL properly, you can handle any database, right? Either it is a SAP HANA, Teradata, whatever you take. If you learn properly SQL, you can handle any database. Okay. 90% it is same. Maybe some 10% you want to learn separately. Okay. Then what is this schema? Schema means this is what the schema. We are having different schema, right? This API, it's a one schema, source, stage, like this I created. Similarly, we'll have, it's nothing but we are creating the database. Even in our laptop, we are having the schema. That's what the local disk C and E. We can say even that also is one of the schema, right? So there will be a role admin role. They will give the access to that particular schema based on the admin's approval. The particular things and all will be working in the real time. That's all. So any other doubt, anyone, please? Anyone is having any other doubt? Okay. So here in this group, Raju. Okay, what is Raju? Yeah. Your voice, I'm not able to hear your voice. Okay, mic issue. Okay, you just please, you can type whatever you want to say. Okay. Yeah, totally 45 days session. This is 45 days. Yes. Yes. So every day it will be 1.5 hours to 2 hours plus. Yes, it will be compared with the SQL, Power Center, and IICS. Everything will be there. Okay. So Power Center means this is the Power Center, right? And IICS, this is the Informatica Power Center. And we are having IICS also. Okay. And this is our website. You can see that. So just I mentioned about what is combo, what is cloud combo, why our students prefer IICS Cloud Combo Batch. So IICS Cloud combo means learning Informatica Power Center and IICS in the same batch parallelly, right? And why? We have to save the time and money, right? That's what I mentioned here. So you can see, visit our website and you can read all these blogs and all. So can I learn Informatica Power Center for the current market scenario and how we were to learn? Okay, what is the salient features in our training and how to get job, IT job easily, right? So like this, we have different blogs and all. You can see those things and all. So installation guides and everything is there. Yes. Okay. And I'm going to upload a lot of interview questions and everything now. Okay. So you can go through that also. And this is our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel, Rishab Informatica Group. So all the videos, whatever, most of the videos I will be uploading here, right? In our, most of the, at least every batch, I will upload some 2-3 videos. Okay. You can go through this also. Yeah.
Sorry, Rasif. I'm
Yeah,
your
yeah.
subscriber, Rasif. Already I saw in YouTuber videos also last time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Subscriber also.
Acha, acha. Okay, thank you.
Mm.
So you can go through this and some of the videos I already even lot of videos is left. I have to upload actually. Still, this is the quiz program, and we have some videos even for mock interview. So that also you can see. And course content video. This is the one of the video. So this is the first video which I uploaded about the IICS, right? Yeah. So just to go through all this, then we'll just open our IICS now. So I'll show some glimpse on IICS. So this is our IICS. So every session will continue with Power Center and IICS in SQL and also SQL. Okay, this is the data integration. This is the application integration. I told right, API. This is the data integration, CDI. So application programming interface, all this is related to API. This is API center, API manager, API portal, application integration console. So this data integration and monitor, all this is related to the CDI. This is administrator. It's common for both CDI and CAI. So we have to install the runtime environment. We'll get the security agent and everything. Okay. So I'll just open how to do the mapping once. So many of you might seen all this. Okay. Just it's a simple. So this is how it will be there. You can go and create a mapping. You can connect with your Oracle or Snowflake. Then you can load from source to target, right? We'll see that and all in the session. Okay. So having any other doubt, anyone as of now? Yeah, Vijay. Okay. Already paid, huh? Already paid, right? Okay, okay. No issue. Yes. Sure, sure. Okay. Okay, anyone having any other doubt or shall we stop the session?
Rasif,
Yeah.
actually, now I'm getting Sriram to 2.5 per annum. So it is editing for the Bcz after getting complete the course. It will be same salary will be put in the resume also. Per month,
Salary,
18K.
how much you're getting now?
18K per month.
18K per month means it won't match with the IT job salary for 5 years
That's it.
experience.
Yeah,
Then
that's
better
thing
you go for fake experience.
but it will be deducting PF now. That's thing I'm checking up that.
See, whatever you're mentioning now, you mentioned without PF, some experience you take. Okay.
Okay.
1 second, 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah. So without PF, you can mention now. Okay.
Okay.
Without PF, you take and mention that I am working from the last 3 years in the IT. Remaining previously it was non-IT, like that you can show.
Okay.
Some or other you have to do something. You have to join in a company. For that, you keep on practice first of all how to crack the interview. That you learn first.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
keep all these things in your mind. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
All these external problems, it will be there. Some issue will come. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So even if you joined in a company after some 5 months, 6 months, you may face some problem. That also you face. First,
Yeah. Yeah.
and all you have to see. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Many students face some problem, but
Sure.
after some 2 or 3 years, it will be streamlined everything. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
That you initially see you are not at all worked in IT.
Yeah.
Without any issue, you want to get a salary more than 70,000, 80,000 IT job and all. It's not. For that, you have to put some effort in this way.
Yeah.
You are
Yeah.
not
Sure.
really worked, right?
Yes.
That effort you put in this way. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that is without any risk, nothing is possible, right?
Yes. I will.
Take some risk, but first of all, I would suggest practice strongly with SQL, practice strongly with Power Centers, practice strongly with SQL.
Okay.
So whenever you're attending the interview, they should feel good. Okay, this person really worked, very well. That approach you want to give to them.
Okay.
If you do that, then definitely the opening is definitely will be there for you. Many of the people, non-IT people, they joined in very easily. Okay.
Yeah.
Some
Yeah.
people very easily, some people with some effort, some people lot of effort. Different categories will be there, but
Yes.
you can place. It is not
Okay.
impossible. It's very possible. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Fine. Anyone is having any other doubt? Yeah, Mahendra. Yeah. Yes. You already worked, right? You are already working in IT as a Power Center. Okay, ETL developer. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can join our session and you can learn IICS along with Power Center. You can learn in the combo, or you can go for even IICS session if you want. But I would always suggest to everyone to join the IICS combo batch. It will have a lot of advantages compared to the IICS Cloud batch. Otherwise, you can join even for the amount also. It's very not much difference, right? Yeah. Then anyone else? Yeah, we'll cover everything. Yes, look up all the important sessions we will have. Whatever the market, whatever the trainers they are taking, more than that we will have. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. You can pay the half of the amount and you can join, and you can after 14 session you can pay remaining. Okay. Yeah. And then Shiva Bachu, right?
That's it.
Yeah. You want to join our session or
Yeah. Yeah. That's thing I'm attended in.
okay? You can pay half of the amount. I know you are all working in non-IT will be in struggle. So
Yes.
that is why I keep this price and all like this 9,600. Nobody is going to give in the market, right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
If you go for even Power Center, it will be more than 14 session, 14,000, 15,000 and all, right?
Yeah.
And IICS, if you go, it will be more than 20,000. And if you go for SQL session, it will be some at least 10,000. So 14,000, 10,000. I know what is the value of I'm giving the training. It will be more than 40,000 rupees. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am looking for the people who are really struggling like you, right?
Yes,
I
exactly.
want,
Last 1 year.
yes, the people who are really struggling in the ground level, we are taking those people. So that's why, otherwise I cannot do the separate charges for different people, right? That's why totally I kept the lower price.
Okay.
Okay, you are already working, you give me 15,000. This person is not working. Okay, you give me 8,000. We cannot categorize like that, correct?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let it be a common price for everyone. That's all. Okay. After
That's a good
a
thing.
lot of data, this thing and all, after thinking, then finally I decided, okay, this is the best price for everything, including CDI, including CAI, including Power Center, including IICS, including SQL, everything. Okay.
Yes, yes, exactly.
That's enough. Okay, not an issue for us.
Okay.
Okay. So
When it will be start the session?
yeah, session. This is the day one session, and this is a
Okay.
demo session. So
Okay.
so by other 2 days, we'll regularly will start. Daily session will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So some more people are joining. Let them join. So that's what. Okay. Some
Okay.
people they are arranging some money even for 4,500. People are struggling. They want to join, but they don't have the money, right?
Yes,
They are
exactly.
arranging. Yeah, yeah. I can understand. That's why. So other 2 days I will wait and I will let them pay and then join. Okay. Then first,
Actually,
yeah.
actually, I'm scheduling last November. I attended Raju Informatica.
Mm.
You know that person.
Yeah, yeah.
That time, my relative, my colleagues, my friends, everything is insulting me. Why you have joined the Informatica? You don't have any much time. How I mean, నీకు అంత క్యాపబిలిటీ లేదు కదా నువ్వు ఎందుకు జాయిన్ అవుతున్నావు అని చాలా మంది ఇది చేశారు 1 year బాగా ఫేస్ చేశాను ఐ
ఫేస్
మీన్ ఎలా ఉంది
చేసిండేదికి ఏమికి ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ గో వేస్ట్. ఓకే. ఎక్కడ మీరు ఎఫర్ట్ ఎక్కడ మీరు స్ట్రగుల్ చేసినారో దానికంతా యూ విల్ గెట్ ద రిజల్ట్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, విల్ గెట్ ద బెనిఫిట్ ఆల్సో.
అదే ఇవాళ వచ్చి వాట్సాప్ ఆన్ చేశాను మీది అదే మా ఇన్ఫర్మాటికా గ్రూప్ లో మీ లింక్ వచ్చింది.
ఫైన్ ఫైన్.
ఎప్పుడే నేను సరే ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేయకూడదు ఎక్కడైతే ఆగిపోయానో అక్కడ నుంచే మళ్ళీ వీకెండ్ నా జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను ఇలా.
సో నెవర్ గివ్ అప్. ఓకే. సో నా సెషన్ కి జాయిన్ చేసేది కోసరం నేను చెప్తా లేదు, కామన్ గా చెప్తున్నాను.
నేను గివ్ అప్ చేయలేదు యాక్చువల్లీ. ఏంటంటే ఇంకా నాకు కొద్దిగా ఫ్యామిలీ ఇష్యూస్ వల్ల నేను పక్కన పెట్టాను. అంటే కొన్ని
మీరు
రోజులు
ఎక్కడ పని చేస్తున్నారో ప్లీజ్ వర్క్ దేర్ అండ్ యూ మేక్ సమ్ టైం డైలీ. ఓకే, యూ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఏమైనా గైడెన్స్ కావాలా, ఏమైనా ప్రాక్టీస్ ఏమైనా కావాలంటే ఐఎమ్ దేర్ టు ఆల్వేస్ టు సపోర్ట్. ఓకే.
ఓకే షూర్.
సో విత్
యాక్చువల్లీ
కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ చెప్పండి.
మై వర్క్ టైం 9:30 to 6. Actually, I have a work only 5 hours in the office, morning 9 to afternoon 2.
That's great thing for you.
Will be
Some
done my
people
work.
are having more than 10 hours working, but still they are practicing.
Yes.
Some
But I
people are
have a much
working.
more time.
Actually, morning 9 o'clock they will start, and till 9 o'clock evening they are working.
Yeah.
After that, they are coming and practice in the night.
Yes,
So
exactly. I
after
know.
practice like that, they got the job also, IT job.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that is the result for your practice. That is the effort you have to keep. Okay.
Yeah.
In a proper way, simply hard work. We have to do the
Sure.
smart work also sometimes. Okay.
Yeah.
We have to take whatever we have to do. We have to plan and we have to do. Simply putting the hard work also, there is no use actually sometimes. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyone is having any other doubt? Okay.
I can pay on Monday. It will be amount.
No problem. You can pay and
But
join.
because I'm going to the festival, so
No
I
issue.
asked for
You
my
can
father
pay and
amount.
join. No issue. And yeah, Roshan. Okay. Sure. You can unmute, right? We were also having mic issue. Okay, no issue. Yeah, okay. Just type. Okay. Yeah, hierarchy builder. Yeah, here it is there, right? Hierarchy schema, hierarchy builder, hierarchy schema. Yes, we'll have the session. Yes. Yeah, it will deal with the JSON and all, XML and all. Yes. Yeah, we are having that session also. You can see here, I will play the video. So hierarchy schema, hierarchy parser, hierarchy builder. We'll have the session for that. Yes. Okay. Yes, yes. This is the combo batch 1 video. And similarly, we will have combo batch 2 also. So everything will be there, no issue. All the sessions we will cover, nothing to worry. Okay, don't think that we are doing both the Power Center and IICS. We will skip some few things, not like that. Completely we'll cover everything. Workflow level task flow, everything will cover. Yes. Okay, this is the combo batch 2 video. So it will be there. Okay, this is the joiner transmission. IICS combo batch 2, morning day 18. Okay. Day 18. Then we'll do the joining. Already I told, right? So this is how Power Center. This is IICS. How to do the joining, how to do the joining with 3 tables and everything. Then it will be this also joiner transmission in the SQL. Okay. So everything. Yes, yes. Everything will be there, no issue. Okay. So this is one of the video. Workflow level task flows. Okay. How to do the workflow level task in Power Center, how to do the task flow in IICS Cloud, everything will be there. So these are the tasks in IICS, Power Center, and this is the Power Center, this thing, okay. And we will have the task flow separately. Yes. Slowly changing dimension. Okay. This is the SCD session. So these sessions I already uploaded in the even in the YouTube also. You can see that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So shall we wind up? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you all. Any other doubt or any issues, just ping me in the WhatsApp. I will reply, or you can call directly. Okay. Thank you all. Stop the session now.